Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first thing first, go ahead, open up your Messenger app. Then from over here, tap on this menu icon at the bottom right corner and tap on this icon of settings. Then from over here you have to go ahead, tap on this option of privacy and safety. Then you have to go to end-to-end encrypted chats. Now from here, tap on this option of message storage. Now make sure your storage is turned on. Tap on, so as you can see I just turned it off. Now you have to tap on turn on storage, so make sure your message storage is turned on. And then you also remember, and now once you have done that, all the accounts which is a Meta account of yours will be automatically synced. As you can see, if I tap on this turn off, it will say turn off secure storage. Secure storage will be turned off in all devices. Any new end-to-end encrypted message will be stored on this device only, so you have to make sure you do not turn it on, and that is all it takes. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.